Well, so as you can see, shaved. No longer the creeper smash, but I'm also in the truck. Just got a call this morning. The tank is ready to go, so I'm about to go pick that up right now. So just stay tuned. I'll show y'all what it looks like after they cleaned it up. They put a liner inside, so yep, I'll show y'all guys what it looks like, and then we'll get it installed, fill it up with gas, and go from there. So let's get it. Alright guys, just got back to the shop, unloaded the tank. Oh yeah, that's much better. They put a little coating on the inside. That's the outside. Cleaned up the sending unit, so it's ready to go back in. But so I got the car in the shop, guys. I already got it on the jack, ready to put jack stands underneath. I'm having to do this on the ground because both of our lifts are actually being used right now for customer cars. So, I mean, luckily it's a light enough tank, I can do it on the ground. But let me get jack stands underneath it, get the tank over here, and we'll get it installed. So I got the fuel tank all mounted up. While I got the car jacked up and I'm back here, I'm gonna go ahead and mount the fuel pump also back here so that the engine bay is not all cluttered with a whole bunch of just stuff randomly in there. So gonna go ahead and mount this up, and then once I get that done, I'll go ahead and have a video of it running. So stay tuned for that. Let's get back to it. So I just wanted to show y'all what the pump looks like. Let's see. So got it right there. This side is where the metal line goes all the way down to the car, to the front, and then I got it to the tank right here. So there's no bracket needed. It's pretty solid. So it's not, I can't hear vibration on the frame. If I mounted it to the frame or to the body, you'd still hear vibration, but this is going to be super quiet. I've got the wire routed down as well. I'm going to tuck it up with the line on the body. So that's that. Just need to ground it now. Probably just going to ground it right here. Clean that up a little bit and grind it down a little bit so it's bare metal, and then probably just self-tapper would be fine. But yeah, that's it. It's run. So all right, got her all filled up. Now let's see if she'll start. So right now I'm just doing the run-in on the car because I wasn't able to do it earlier because of that fuel problem. But right now, since it's getting enough fuel pressure, I'm just letting it stay running, get up to operating temp, and then check if there's any leaks, like coolant leaks or oil leaks. But so far it seems to be doing all right. So let's just hope it stays where it's at. I like the idle. I might adjust it down a little bit. It might be a little too high, but I kind of like the idle where it's at right now. Sounds pretty good. Motor sounds good. There's no knocking or rattling or anything. So I'm just gonna let it run a little bit longer, and then I'll check it, check all the temperatures, check the oil, check the fluid after I shut it off, and then we'll just go from there. So it's doing good right now. So cross your fingers. It's almost ready for the road. back from taking the car out, and guys, this thing is slow as crap. But I mean, for what it is, it's fun. It's a fun little cruiser. Definitely got to do something with the front suspension. It's a little bouncy. These struts are really bad, so I got to look for new struts or probably do a coilover conversion further on down the line. But for right now, I mean, it's fine. It's not too bad. I went over the railroad tracks and it got pretty shaky, but I mean, it's not as bad as some stuff that I've driven, but I mean, for what it is, for as fast as I've done this, keeping everything pretty well. Guys, that's gonna end it for today's video. I forgot to make a closure when I was still back at the shop, so I'm at the house now playing with the pups outside. That one's over there eating bushes, but yeah, so the test drive went well today. There's still a few little things that I need to fix on the Colt, but other than that, it went pretty good today. If you like what you saw today and want to see more on this Colt, hit that like button, turn those notifications on, subscribe, and there'll be more content coming out to you. So thanks again, guys. Have a good one.